Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, everyone? Welcome back. And in this video, I'm gonna be talking about um, the the market open, the trading session, how it went. I'm gonna be explaining the trade that I did not take. What could I have done? What would have happened? But overall, I'm very satisfied. Everything went well. So yeah, let's get started. First thing, daily time frame, okay? And I just see that, okay, like literally the only thing that I have is just this daily gap. It's the closest thing. Remember, the market was like maybe somewhere here when it opened, right? So it was maybe here. So this is the closest thing. It's what we're drawing towards. Pretty obvious to me. It hasn't gotten hit yet. I'm very confident that it will get hit. So possible trade. If you know what, if you know, you know. Possible trade into the daily fair value gap. Same with ES. Okay, cool. Do I even? Nah, no. All right. 4 hour. Again, like this high aligns with the daily gap. It's at the same point. And same on, yeah, it's the same thing, ES and NQ, right? So it aligns. Okay. And that's, oh yeah. And the other thing is that, okay, we've now inversed this 4 hour. So we're bullish on the 4 hour, right? Daily, we're not, like daily's way too high of a time frame, but the 4 hour, we are bullish. And this is the next target. So it makes a lot of sense for me to, to want to look for longs. Same with 1 hour. We inverse this gap, boom, we're bullish. Okay, when I see this pre-market, overall I see we're bullish, but especially when I see this, just like you see 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1 hour candles, okay? And then the market opens. At market open, very simple. Pull back, long. That's it. So what happens right here? Literally right here. What do I expect price to pull back into? Gap. Hourly gap, 4 hour gap, or 15-minute gap, all strong. Right here, there's a nice hourly gap. Okay? And so, all right, let's go. Okay, let's go to the open. All right, open right. Wow. Okay, so open right here. Open low. Bang, you see this? We literally go down, tap 1 hour gap. We barely tap it, but it still counts as a tap. It still does. I don't care. I don't care what you say. It still does. All right. Okay. So and now we're pretty bullish. So I want clear. Just a 1 minute inverse. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. We don't get that though. We don't get that. Here, the 1 minute, there's a lower time. There's a lower time from inverse here. 30-second and 15-second. I don't even have that. So 1 minute. But those are also very low time frames, and they can be very all over the place. I wouldn't advise doing that. Okay, so, but you never know. Right? No inverse here. Then we go back down. Again, like this candlestick, it's a nice big candlestick, but we didn't inverse anything, and we also took out this high. So this high would have been a potential break even if it closed somewhere there. No inverse. So I was expecting price to be pretty clean. It looks pretty nice at the open. A lot of volatility coming in. But here there's no inverse. Okay. So this was the setup. That was the potential setup. But again, I don't take this because I kind of know what's gonna happen. So okay, you're like, wait, we go back down. Actually, we have more now. We have more. You wanna know why we have more? Because we also tap this. So we go down. We go down. Now we make a small move lower. Oh wait, no, that's way after. Anyway, we make a small move lower. We tap into 5 minute. Fair value gap still bullish. We're supporting bullish move. And just one other thing I have to say. This target is a little bit too far away. So what do I have as a potential target nearby? It's this one. Okay, we got 1 hour. What's under 1 hour? It's a 15-minute, right? So we're gonna look at what's on the 15-minute. This right here. It's a high inside of a gap. So, you know, we have that as a nice draw. It gets taken out here. So that's why, so look, that's why I'm saying like this trade here would have been nice, but it takes out this whatever. Then we go back down. The only like actual setup that there was this inverse here. I guess, you know, you gotta go something like this. Again, either way, it hit break even. We take it and we break even. And also, I'm pretty sure ES took it much quicker, so then we would have had to go break even because there's an SMT with ES and NQ. So this type of trade is like a really quick break even. It's kind of like a guaranteed break even. Like when you're entering and like a candlestick after, like I'm going break even like here. Like I'm not giving it any room to play out. It doesn't make sense for me. So yeah, slow. So no, not slow. It was nice, but so there's no entry here, right? And then from there from there, okay, if you think about it, if you really think about it, what happened? Dude, oh wait, sorry. I was back inside my new. Okay, look. So what happened? We came, okay, so this is what I'm saying. Look, so we came here, we inversed this 15-minute gap. I honestly was, again, expecting us maybe a bit of a bigger push lower, but, you know, to go higher up here, we didn't do that. Even for shorts then, if we come back down here, trying to short this, not clean, really big of candlesticks. Like, if you short all the 5-minute inverse, bro, your stop losses have to be all the way up there. And then same situation with ES. So it just doesn't, you know, it didn't really align with the... You could definitely catch like super small moves today. It would make sense. But nothing was jumping out to me very clearly. So that is why I didn't do anything. And then, yeah, I'm showing you guys, this is my thought process. Like, I look at daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, but mainly 15-minute, 1 hour, 5-minute, and then 1 minute as well, right? So 15-minute here, we came down while we were tapping the 1 hour, we tapped the 15-minute as well. 5-minute, you know, we technically inverse this 5-minute here, so you know, all that type of stuff. But yeah, that's what I have to say here. Another thing is, you know, I use, you know, SPX as I don't even know, like an example. Like I look at everything. So I mean, here, what do I see? We could either, for the rest of the day, we could either come down and fill this, but that's pretty unlikely for me. I want to see this right here. I want to see this. I want to see this get taken, right? I want us to enter this here. But let's see what happens, right? So yeah, that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. All right? Peace out.